Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you happen to be new, I am Sandy and I wanted to do a final flip through of these cute little journals. I did a couple videos showing how I made these, and so I just wanted to do a final little flip through. So let me move these over a little bit. And so these are going to my Lily tier patrons. So here's the first one. I did make a spine dangle for these. It has a little sewing machine charm up here, and then I had added some bows to these. I think they're so cute. And then I also dyed the seam binding and added a eyelet closure here. So open up the journal, and then we got the eyelet closure back here. But here's the cover. I think it turned out really cute. And then I added this cute little kind of like puffy little heart embellishment right here. I just thought that was so cute. And then on the inside I added a nice big pocket, lace pocket with this eyelet trim. And then here are the pages inside. So they're vintage pages, or they are pages, these are from Daiso. And then the dyed pages are from Louise over at Sacred Mementos. And I love the addition of the paper doll pages in here. And then each page in the middle is from this cross stitch embroider book. And I think they're just so cute. So I think they turned out really good. And I love coordinating the color of papers with the rest of the pages in the journal. So there is that one. Now for May, I've decided my theme is going to be a gardening and recipe theme, so I'm really excited about that. So here is the spine dangle for this journal. They're all a little color coordinated, and the seam binding is color coordinated as well. Added the little heart detail on this one. And then just quick little flip through of the pages. Again, so they're similar pages, but a little bit different. I love these dyed papers from Louise, and I love the center pages and the paper doll pages. It's just, I'm really pleased with how these turned out. So just a quick little flip through. So it's ready for them to decorate and do what they want with the inside of this journal. So I will be opening up a few more spots in May. So if you're interested, then check out the Lily tier. Here's this one here. Again, you know, tried to color coordinate the spine dangle. And then, oops. And then the seam binding as well. And then the same lace pattern or pocket inside. And then let me show you the, in this green, pretty, so pretty. And then here's the paper doll page. And then the center signature. So, on the other side of the paper doll page. So they're just, you know, I love these Daiso pages as well. So just quick flip through. I loved using these authentic sewing patterns, and then also the covers, and then also using some of the sewing pattern tissue paper as well. And then we have this one here, and the spine dangle again, try to coordinate. And then we added a couple little of the hearts here, and then the sewing seam binding, and then the pocket, But I already have an idea of how I'm going to make the journals for May. So I'm really excited about that. And love this paper doll page as well. So super cute. And then I have one more. And then here's the last one. Again, the seam binding coordinated. And then the same type of papers, just different colors. And then here's the paper doll page. And here's the center page. So pretty. And then the other paper doll page. I love these magazine pages of quilts. They're so pretty. Okay, so this is my journal collection for April for my patrons. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. And if you're interested in the May journals, then please subscribe and come back and check out those as I get making those and share with you what they're going to look like. But I'm really pleased with how these turned out, and I hope that my patrons love them as much as I do. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.